Hey and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about 6 exotic fruits easy to grow at home. Growing plants from seed is not easy, but very interesting. Moreover, we receive planting material practically free of charge. Next time you head to the store, look out for these exotic fruits. The easiest way to grow them at home. 1. Lemon. Lemon is the most popular exotic fruit for growing on the windowsill. For planting, you need a fresh lemon seed. The larger it is, the better. You can buy soil for a future plant at a flower shop. Plant the seed to a depth of 3 centimeters. The pot should be covered with a film or half a plastic bottle to create a mini greenhouse. With the right care, the lemon tree grows quite quickly. However, you won't be able to enjoy homemade lemon soon. The first fruits will appear in 5 to 7 years. 2. Mandarin. Choose the largest and healthiest seed for planting your mandarin. Place them in a container of water to swell. You can buy ready-made soil in the store or prepare it yourself from equal parts of leafy, turfy land and humus. As with lemon, plant the seed to a depth of 3 centimeters. Seedlings will appear in a couple of weeks. Bright lighting, regular watering, feeding, annual pruning. The tangerine tree needs your constant care. Place a container of water next to the pot to increase humidity. 3. Mango. Even a mango tree can be successfully grown at home. The most important thing is that the bone is from a ripe fruit. First, take it out of the pulp and rinse it in running water. To make the seed grow faster, immerse it in water for a week. Then submerge it about 3/4 in the soil and cover with plastic wrap. Do not forget to regularly ventilate the greenhouse. When sprouts appear, remove the shelter. For rapid growth, the plant needs moist air and regular feeding. You can transplant a mango into a pot only after the seedling gets stronger and takes root. 4. Pomegranate. Remove the seeds from the bright red ripe fruit and plant them in fertile soil to a depth of 1.5 centimeters. Do not forget to water the future tree. After 2.5 to 3 months, transplant the strengthened sprouts into separate pots. The pomegranate tree blooms in the 3rd year. However, you may not be lucky enough to enjoy its fruits, since at home they ripen for a very long time. At home, this plant is grown more for decoration. 5. Persimmon. Persimmon fans can also grow an exotic tree on their windowsill. Remove seeds from ripe persimmons, rinse them in water, and soak in a weak solution of potassium permanganate. Remove the seeds, place on damp gauze and cover with plastic wrap. Do not forget to water them with water in a timely manner. When the seeds hatch, submerge them in the soil with a mixture of peat and sand. Provide the seedlings with regular watering and feeding. 6. Lychee. Lychee, or Chinese plum, is also great for a home greenhouse. Under favorable conditions, a tree grown from a stone can even bear fruit. True, this will have to wait 8 to 10 years. The first shoots will appear in a couple of weeks. When the tree grows strong and reaches 20 centimeters in height, transplant it into a large pot. An adult lychee tree reaches 2 to 2.5 meters. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a like. Subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching.